to fix laptop screen flickering problem. So if you want to fix your laptop screen blinking or flickering problem, then it can be because of like both your hardware and software issues. So how you can find that is whether it's a problem with your hardware or your software. The very first thing before moving with troubleshooting is I would recommend that if you're using a PC or laptop, then try removing your cable like VGA cable, power cable, and then plug it back in. Probably there were some loose connections or loose cables that might be creating a problem. And in case of your laptop, what you can do is just simply fully charge your laptop and after that plug out your adapter, power adapter, and then check back if the issue still persists. And if it's still or if the issue still comes up, then what you have to do is just enter into the safe mode and you'll be able to know if the problem is with the hardware or with the software. Now you just need simply go with the search and under search you need to search for ms config and it will open up the system configuration. Just click on system configuration and then you need to go with the boot section right here. Under boot you need to go with safe boot, click on it and then go with OK. Apply your OK and then it will ask you to restart your computer. You just need simply restart and after restarting it will start in the safe mode and now you'll be able to know that whether the problem is with your hardware or with the software. Alright. So the system is now in the safe mode on your laptop, right? And check that if you're still having the issues. And if not, then it means there was a problem with some kind of driver and there is no problem with the hardware. But still, if you have the issues, then it means that there is a problem with your hardware. And in that case, you will have to visit your local technician or the service center. But the issue is not occurring in the safe mode, then it's working absolutely fine. What you have to do is just right click on your Windows icon. Then from the list, you will have the device manager section. So you need to click on the device manager and on the device manager, you need to look for the display adapters. Double click on the display adapters or go with the arrow and then select the driver, right click on it and then you need to update your drivers. Once you updated your drivers, you just need simply go with your search again and the search you need to again search for msconfig and then open up your system configuration and again go with the boot section and turn off your safe boot and then apply an OK. And after that you will get your normal screen back. You will not be in the safe mode. Now, if you still have the issues, you can again go with the Windows, which is right here. Right click on it, go with the device manager. Under device manager, again go with the device or display adapters and then go with the next option and then go with update driver or just update your drivers from this mode also. Once you've updated, then your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then you need to go with the monitors section. Under monitors, you will have your integrated monitor. Just click on it, right click, go with the properties and go with driver and then update the driver. Once you've updated your driver, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't, then you just need to simply go and uninstall the device. Once you uninstall, you can restart your device and after restarting, it will automatically install the drivers. Now, the other thing you can do is just open up your settings. Right click on your Windows and then open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you can go with system, which is on the left side, and go with display. Under display, you can scroll down again, go with the advanced display section. Under advanced display, here you will have all of the information. You will have display adapter properties for display 1. So you just need to simply click on it and it will take you to another window, which looks like this. So make sure that you're under the monitor section. Under monitor, now you just need to simply go with screen refresh rate, and then select 60 Hertz. Once you've selected that, now you can also go with the properties section. Under properties, you can go with driver and then update your drivers. Once you update it, then your problem might be fixed. And the last thing you can do is just simply go back. On your settings, you can go with the app section, go with installed apps, and under installed apps, now if you've recently installed any application and if you're facing the problem after installing the application, then you can just simply search the application and uninstall the application from here. Once you uninstall, then your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.